beautiful condo in Davenport, Florida, close to Kissimee area, close to the attractions of Disney. This condo is a vacation home. The vacation home looks clean, the beds are made, but the owner is gonna sell the condo, and he requests to clean the part that most cleaning companies don't do. There was a van that was black, and inside is black. The AC vents, baseboards, doors, frame, everything that is high. Beds are done. For example, this lamp, I don't know if you can see, right there. Do you see it? Cobweb. Do you see? Cobweb. But the house looks clean, okay? The person who recommend us, I don't know the person, but it's at the realtor. The realtor told the owner to hire us. So that person called us another state. So trust the word from the realtor. We clean so many houses, so I really appreciate that people are start recommend us. This is the patio. I do the package, the whole package deal for a really good price. This is the patio that I also want to clean. This is a corrugated cement, paint cement, but it's black that we're gonna CRB or pressure washing. We don't know yet. We already bring our stuff, dust. The AC vent is greasy and dusty. Remove the dust from the ceiling, and the realtor wants everything clean before the home inspector comes. So everything is gonna be smooth. We have the cobweb here. All our equipment are here. Stephanie is removing the plate. We have to wash this. ¿Lo lavo? Okay, good, thank you. Everything from top to bottom. Also, included in the package, we have our equipment. This is our CRV, HEPA vacuum, vapor steamer. This is a small area in tile and grout. Corrugated tile, black. The stove is already damaged, the bottom part. I have to record that so nobody say that we damaged that. I'm washing the vents, and the another area that we have to clean is the doors and the inside of the AC. A lot of dust, believe it or not, in this beautiful condo. Let me see if I can put a light so you can see better. This is the AC unit. We don't clean the actual inside, but we are gonna remove all the dust around all the areas that we can reach, of course, behind the walls and the floor. So let's do it. Little by little, we are gonna upload more videos on how we're gonna do it. Thank you. 407-572-4118, Fiorella and Sonia. I'm already on top of the ladder, and this is the vent. We're gonna try to remove it. So this soap, water, brush, and then to disinfect the cloth. This brush is much better. to work with one hand. Let's do it, okay? Spectacular clean. And the other part, flip it. Perfect too. Really good. Be careful. Excellent. Perfect. Thank you. Be careful. Clean, 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 clean.